Hi guys, welcome to my channel Java Trends. For latest update in every week, like and subscribe my channel. So our next question is difference between final, finally and finalize. Okay. So first we will see the final. So what is the use of final? Final is a keyword which is used to apply restrictions on class members and methods. Okay. So final is used to apply restrictions on class members and methods. Final class cannot be inherited, final method cannot be overridden, and final variable value cannot be changed. So if we use final in front of any class, then we can't create child class of that class. Okay. And if we use final keyword in front of any method, then we can't override that method. Okay, we can't override that method. And if we use final keyword in front of any variable, then that variable value cannot be changed. It is fixed. Okay, it is fixed, we can't change that variable value. So this is the use of final. So what is the use? The use of final is restrictions on class members and methods. Apply restrictions on class member and methods. So now we will see the finally and finalize. Use of finally and finalize. Okay. So what is the use of finally? Finally is used to place important code. It will be executed whether exceptions is handled or not. So finally is for the concept of exception handling. Finally is used to place important code. Okay, it will be executed whether exceptions is handled or not. So finally is the block where we have some code there. Okay, we placed important code, so it will, and that code is like executed whether exception is generating or not, whether exception is handling or not. So finally is used to place important code, and it will be executed every time whether exception is handled or not. So this is the use of finally. And what is the use of finalize? Finalize is used to perform cleanup processing just before the object is garbage collector. So what is the use of finalize? Finalize is used to perform cleanup processing. So suppose one of two our objects are like garbage. One of two our object is not working. Okay, it will like only created and it's not working. So at that time we need to clean up that one. So finalize is used at that time. Finalize is used to perform cleanup processing. Okay, just before the object is garbage collector. So finalize is used to perform cleanup processing only. It collects the garbages. Okay, so this is the use of final, finally and finalize. This one is also most important interview question, so you will focus on that. Okay, thank you.